Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, in the days and weeks since Hurricane Beryl swept across the island, reports of damages have flooded out from all corners of the island. But at this point, you may be well aware of the particular devastation it caused across the island's south coast, particularly in parishes like St. Elizabeth.
So as more and more reports come about those who've lost their homes, businesses, livelihoods, and lives, it's easy to feel helpless. So in times like these, we wanted to offer you ways to help to give back. We put together a list of charities doing work to help those badly affected by the hurricane.
First, we have our own drive we're running here from TVJ and the whole RJ Galena community, where you can drop off non-perishable foods, water, batteries, and flashlights at the RJ Galena head office right here at 32 Lyndhurst Road, Kingston, or at 7 North Street, Kingston. The last day to donate is tomorrow. Today's Friday, so tomorrow Saturday by 12 p.m. because we have to get it out. So if you haven't come already, just stop by the donations. There are big boxes at the front. There's no red tape. Just come in, drop them in.
That's right. The next charity on our list is Food for the Poor Jamaica. You can donate to them at their website, which is www.foodforthepoorja.org, or find them on Instagram at foodforthepoorja.
You also have Jamaica's Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, or the Office of Disaster Preparedness or the ODPM, and it's a public agency responsible for disaster management and response. Now, to donate to aid ODPM in the recovery effort, they are accepting cash donations, and this is their account number: 212-387-304. That's 212-387-304, and this is at the Oxford Road branch of the NCB, the National Commercial Bank.
Okay, so next on our list is American Friends of Jamaica, whose goal is to raise 150,000 USD. As to date, they've already raised 176,000 USD, but they want to keep the momentum going. So for family and friends overseas, you can have them donate at www.theajf.org.
Yeah. So I love that. I love that, we're doing all of these things. As I've said a couple of times in spaces that, my voice can be heard, is even if you know a bus driver who's going down that side, give them a little, whatever you have, give them and say, hey.
Yeah, man, carry it down.
Give somebody, because even if it's not somebody directly who you know or may encounter, that person will know somebody else or know where to take it. So,
correct. I mean, remember too, that this is Breadbasket Parish we're talking about. Like, they've been responsible for feeding the island for a long time, and they've been holding their weight, carrying them weight. So, I mean, it's important that we as a community can figure out ways to, give back.
Yeah, we have a couple of other charities that we're gonna just throw it out there. I think UNICEF.
UNICEF, Jamaica Red Cross is one as well.
Yeah, and they have the Jamaica Foundation Hamilton. So you have you have several of them that you can actually reach out to. So what I would say. If there any charity that you know of, more than likely, they're doing something.
Yeah.
More than likely, they're doing something. It's just like there are so many different access points just to make it as easy as possible. But
so reach out, lend a helping hand.
Yeah.
Simple.
And if push come to shove, just drive come up here. North Street, 7 North Street, or 32 Lyndhurst Road right here. Let's come drop the stuff off.
That is it.